So DNA naturally exists as a double helix. And so in order for the replication fork to replicate DNA, it has to get access to single-stranded DNA. And so in order to do this, an enzyme called DNA helicase binds to the double-stranded DNA and unwinds it. This by unwinding it, I mean it disrupts the hydrogen bonds that hold DNA together. So the question is energy needed to do this? If you were going to unwind, if you're going to break hydrogen bonds, do you need energy to do this? Yes. So thinking about DNA replication, it requires energy. Beyond just like creating new copies of the nucleotides, you need to have energy just to unwind the DNA. However, the DNA would naturally uh, rebind to each other. It's basically, if you take two strands of single-stranded DNA and put it in solution, they would naturally find their complementary strand and bind together. And so in order to stabilize this now unwound DNA, you have to have what are called single-stranded binding proteins. So the helicase unwinds it, and then the single-stranded binding proteins stabilize the single-stranded DNA so that the replication fork can then replicate the